Hey travel agents, it's your girl Annie.
And I'm Ashley, and you might remember us from a little thing called Travel Stories Unpacked. And we're back to unpack Crystal.
This week we're going behind the scenes to show you as our team prepares for yet another Crystal conference.
We really want to show you guys all that goes into an event like this. So we're going to be going around the office secretly recording our team hard at work.
So enjoy this sneak peek behind the curtains to see what really happens.
No, Bill, that won't work. We can't call it the Crystal Extravaganza. Well, why not just call it Bill and Rick's Excellent Crystal? No, Bill, that was just a joke. That was just a joke.
Oh. Did you want anything for lunch? Sorry.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna check and see how packing is coming. I love this part. It means we're getting so close.
Okay, I just need one more shirt, a small. Alyssa, are you still in here? Oh, there you are.
Here.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
No. Where the heck is that? No. Where? I can't believe this. Where is it?
What's wrong?
I am missing the file that has the crystal winners on it. Like the final secret file.
That file?
That file, yeah.
Are you sure it's not under all...
I found it.
Right foot, left foot, whatever, and then again, I'd like to be on the outside.
Because that's your best side.
Because that's my best side.
Okay, yeah,
Ready?
perfect.
And right, left, turn. The ALG nominees are blah, 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 blah. And the winner is blah. Yay. You hand it off. We go wherever they tell us to go.
Okay.
And I think we did good there. Just, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're good.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right, good, perfect.
All right, now we'll switch.
Okay.
Try again.
All right.
What's the tone for the awards? Is it serious? Is it fun?
Well, it has to be serious. They worked really hard on this. This is their moment.
But it's a celebration. Can't it be fun too?
Yeah, but with KHM Cares, we have to be serious and helpful.
Well, I think that we can do it.
No,
we have to keep it real.
I mean,
it's like,
Jeff, come on, we gotta get this right this time.
I know.
All right, can you say it with me? Julvezen.
Julveson.
Zen.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure about anything right now. Let's try an easy one.
Okay.
Cheryl Mitchell.
Cheryl Mitchell.
Oh my God, that's fantastic. We'll come back to Julvezen.
Got it.
What's that sound?
Commissions are closing.
Pam, what do you think? This sparkle or this sparkle? Perfect for the silent disco.
I like the one on the right better.
All right, it's getting packed.
We just need to practice a little more.
And remember, my left side.
Yeah, that's always your best side.
Oh, bless your hearts.
Oh, bless your
Annie, maybe Annie, she's been doing an amazing job.
Hey, you guys, I'm so excited for my first crystals.
It's not crystals.
It's Crystal. Karen, is it the Crystal Conference and Award Ceremony?
Just Crystal Conference, Bill.
I think we should call it the Crystal Extravaganza.
No.
I never win at these things.
Everything depicted in this video is for entertainment purposes only. KHM Travel Group is a professional and respectable workplace. No partners were harmed in the making of this video, and no one was filmed without their consent.
Oh God, what is wrong with me?
I looked right at Ashley.
What's the awards?
Oh, we just screwed up.
Read your lines, Anita.
I screwed up. All right.
It's
We're gonna need another take.
wall there.
Bless your hearts.
Did you say something?
You might. Blah, blah, blah. One more time. But it's a celebration. Can't it be fun too?
No. Sorry.
I hit the wrong button again.
Somebody should just say Bill a bunch of times.
Bill.
Karen,
That's a wrap, right?
Yes, and the whole production.
Yes.
Unless we need to reshoot some of the stuff in the office. I don't know. But thanks, everybody. That's it.
Thanks, guys.